Chelsea, what's wrong? Chelsea, God, I cannot pronounce name. What are you laughing so hard at?
I wish I was on my PC. Oh my god. So this girl in the series, it starts off the episode where she's in bed making just this plain blank face while you just hear like another girl moaning. It turns out that it's so she was helping her leg. What the
I got you. Oh, don't be
did she really not like it?